Hi folks, it's Stuart again. Just thought I'd give you another little update to what we're doing. The video that I did the other day regarding the Anderson connectors, I actually quite enjoyed doing it. So I just thought I'll have another go. I'll show you something else that we're doing, a little bit different. I'll swing the camera around and tell you what we're up to. So, this is what we're up to. For those of you that don't know, this is called a Euro container. I'll just lie that down for you. So what exactly is this Euro container going to be? Well, let's just give you a little clue to start with. So on the bottom I had some scrap bits of ply which I've stuck on just to reinforce the bottom of it. Wonder what that could be for. Maybe, for example, standing in might be a good idea. And that's exactly what it's going to be. We wanted a shower room in the van, or a drying room to be more accurate, and that's going to be just here at the end of the fixed bed. So what I've done, couldn't get the size that I wanted, but I didn't want too big. The shower tray, I didn't want it any wider than 600. This Euro container is 600mm wide by 800mm long. So what I've done is I've reinforced the back of that. I've raised it up. You can see just to the left there the reason that I've raised it up, and that's my refurbished D4 heater that we're going to be putting in. It's going to be in roughly that position for the heater. The air is going to come, hot air is going to come straight out here. There's going to be a fixed travel seat here, just a single one, which will back up to this wall, other side of this drying room. So that'll come straight out. A T-piece will come off and run along here, taking heat out into the garage, which will then T-piece up and kick back in to what's going to be the drying room. So that's the plan. It doesn't need to be a full-size shower. It's not going to be lined. I was thinking about putting hygiene board in it. Don't think I'm going to bother. I've got another plan now to finish the inside of it, but I've not told Caroline what that is yet. And as you can see, that sits on there quite nicely. It's raised up. That's just CLS timber with some leftover scraps of the ceiling boards underneath. And what I've done is I've just raised it with a bit of sort of 6mm ply at the other end. I'm going to put a drain hole down here. As I say, it's not going to be a shower. It's going to be used as an emergency shower. It's going to be for putting all our wet gear in. We run trails, we go hill walking, we mountain bike, we gravel bike, we go wild swimming. We've got wetsuits, we've got paddle boards with dry suits. So we've got lots of stuff that will be wet and will need hung up to dry. So that's what this is going to be for. It's also going to be able to take just a small chemical toilet. So I'll show you what I've done regarding the plug hole. Damaged packaging, £6 out of B&Q. Just a standard little plug hole. All I'm going to do is drill a hole, pop that in. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat that plastic just a little bit so that it sinks and has a little area that it sinks down into. So I'm going to do that. These slots, they're going to be dealt with by putting some silicone around here, so, like so, around there. I've then got this little adapter. I've just filed the little ring around the middle out, so this is just a straight connector. It's going to drop on, it'll be siliconed on. I'll then pop one of these washers on, and then this piece of flexi pipe will screw onto the bottom. I will space this out so that'll all be clamped up tight. That'll then go through a hole in the floor outside, and we're going to be putting a external waste tank on. So that's it. That's the plan for the next bit. Not overly exciting. I've just realised I've not moved the camera around much, and all you've really been looking at is a grey box and listening to me talk. But yeah, that's what the next stage is. So thanks for watching, folks. Hopefully you'll keep a little eye on this, see how we're going. So if you enjoyed this little quick short video, then please just give us a thumbs up. Think about subscribing if you want to. Share the video if you want. And we'll see you again when we're a bit further on. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.